Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start using Looker Studio as a complete beginner, the full step-by-step guide for 2026. If you've never used Looker Studio before and feel a bit confused about where to begin, don't worry. This guide will make everything clear. So yeah, let's start from the basics. First, open Looker Studio in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen. This is where all your reports and dashboards live. From here, click Create, then choose Report. This opens a blank report page. Think of it as your workspace. Now, before adding charts, you need data. Click Add Data at the top. You'll see many data sources, but as a beginner, the easiest one to start with is Google Sheets. Choose a simple spreadsheet, maybe sales data, expenses, or even practice data. Make sure the first row contains column names, then click Add to Report. Once the data is connected, it's time to add your first chart. Click Add a Chart and select a table or bar chart. Looker Studio automatically fills in data fields for you. On the right panel, you can change metrics and dimensions. Don't stress about getting it perfect yet. Just watch how the chart updates when you change things. Next, focus on layout. Drag charts to resize them and keep things neat. Add a text box for a title so you know what the report is about. A clean layout makes your dashboard easier to understand, even as a beginner. Now try adding a date range control. This lets you change the time period without editing the report. It's one of the most useful beginner features, honestly. Before sharing, click View to preview your report. Make sure everything loads correctly. When you're ready, click Share and give view access if needed. So yeah, that's how to start using Looker Studio as a beginner in 2026. Start simple, practice often, and focus on understanding data and charts one step at a time. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy learning with Looker Studio.